Alright. I think it's time that we get revenge on the Blizzard pack because, well, it has been a while since I've done a video on my main account. Oh, it's been like a week. Yeah, that's long to me. But anyways, yeah. Let's just try and get this because, well, we don't have the legendary yet. We sold it. And I'll be doing the same thing when I hit 500 subscribers. Just stay tuned for the video, guys. When I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to do a wheel of names. And whatever legendary it lands on, I will sell. And I'm hoping it won't be the Blizzard pack legendary, the Spooky pack legendary, or the Autumn pack legendary, because those are all limited time legendaries. And so it'll be pretty sad if I have to sell one of them. But maybe not the Blizzard pack because, well, it is still here. And I may hit 500 before the Blizzard pack is gone. So, you know, all you can do is just open. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Almost at 500 subscribers. It's insane how fast I'm growing. And yeah, I need a bed stick from Domino's. Pretty good. Wow. I'm so with this. Because I really don't need it because I'm just going to get them again, so what's the point? And I feel confident enough to sell all my snowmans. Oh no, I don't have this pack. Oh, here, now I do. Yay. Oh. Really? You're going to duplicate my books like that? Not today. Not today, sir. See, I knew I was going to get it eventually. Okay, now I can sell something, and I'm using amount of tokens. Oh, I'm using 50 books now. Wow. Okay, I'm going to do so. Let's just hope. Revenge is happening. I don't know, maybe not. I have spent a lot of tokens on this. 1% chance. Should not be happening. 2,500 tokens. I've spent almost that amount, and not a legendary yet. It's unbelievable. But I'm not complaining about snowman, so I just make profit. I think ball shaking. Yeah, I think I've opened enough packs to get at least one legendary. I mean, come on. It's only 1%. How hard can it be? Apparently hard. Okay, I'm on my last couple packs. Nothing. Wow. I do not want this to happen. I do not want this to happen. I am going to stream some, guys, so just be patient. I am going to stream some, so. I'm like to have a little bit of amount of tokens left because that makes me worry that I'm not going to get my legendary back. This is bad. This is bad. Come on, it's like all my luck went away. Like, no, we're not having that. No, just can't. I won't believe it. I can't believe it. No, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. I tried so hard. No one knows how hard I tried. No one appreciates me. Oh, I almost have tokens. This is bad. Oh my gosh. 5 packs left. Still. No legendary, bro. How is this possible? I've spent so much on this. So much on this packing. Okay. Snowman. Snowman saved us. What the heck? No. We have our 5 boxes left. That's just, you know. Oh, yeah, oh, this is bad. Oh, yeah, this is bad. Because, oh, no. Don't, no, ho. This could be our last pack. Oh, my gosh. Not. He didn't get Santa. Oh, my God. He didn't get it. He didn't get him. Can you believe that? He didn't get Santa. Gosh. Okay, let's just open a random pack. Let's open the aquatic pack. Oh, my gosh! The dolphin saved us! Everyone type W Dolphin in the chat. Type W Dolphin in the chat, bro. It saved us. It saved us. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Dolphin saved us, chat. Type W Dolphin, bro. Well, now we're dead. But that was good. Good job, Dolphin. Helped us. Let's open a few more packs. Oh, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.